Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Git Push to GitHub. Push changes to GitHub. Okay, let's get started. So here you can see the changes are there and you need to commit. So git commit -a/m and the message will. So direct to staging and then we are committed it. Okay. Then git status to check the status. Now push. Now whatever changes we have done, I want to push to the branch. Git push origin. Okay. Now confirm the repository has new commit. So this line is removed and this line is added. Plus sign means add and minus sign is remove. So these changes you can see. Okay. Push the current branch to a default. Push. So we will write push to origin. So what we are doing to push the current branch to its default remote branch. So like this it works. Okay. So if you have any question related to this, please do comment. Please subscribe my channel. Please do like my video. Do share. Thank you. Bye bye.